Hi, this is Bill with Best Tours of Denver, and I am visiting Manitou Springs, Colorado, and Colorado Springs. I am sitting on the veranda of the Cliff House, which is the oldest hotel in Colorado. It was built in 1873. There has been many famous people stay here in the past. It was a spot for Teddy Roosevelt, P.T. Barnum, Thomas Edison, J. Paul Getty, and Clark Gable. So that's just some of the people that have stayed here in the past. This is a great hotel. Their hospitality is fantastic. I totally recommend it. They're very nice, and it's a beautiful Victorian hotel, which I'll show you some visuals of it inside so that you can see a little bit more about it. But I am gonna show you some things on this trip, including some restaurants that I went to. I'm gonna take you to the Cheyenne Mountain Zoo, just kind of show you some different places in Manitou Springs, just so you can walk around. It's a great city to hang out. You don't even really have to leave Manitou Springs. You can stay here and eat and shop. There's plenty to do here. Garden of the Gods is not far from here. Cave of the Winds is very close. The North Pole Village is very close. So all these things are really, I mean, you probably have to drive, but really a few of them are just right across the street. So I totally recommend this place. I am at the Cheyenne Mountain Zoo, which started in 1926. This is one of the best zoos you're ever going to go to. In fact, it is ranked number 4 in North America as the best zoos in North America. It is also the highest zoo in the United States. They're known for their giraffes, where they come to you at eye level. You can feed them. Often they'll let the penguins out to walk around your feet, and they have wallabies here that you get to go in with and not necessarily pet them. They're a little bit timid, but it's always fun to go in and watch them do their thing. So this is something I definitely recommend when coming to Colorado Springs. So I'm standing at the Cheyenne Mountain Zoo. I just wanted to point something out. Right on the very top of that hill, at the very top of the mountain, is the Will Rogers Shrine. So after you do the Cheyenne Mountain Zoo, you might want to drive up to the Will Rogers Shrine. That is really something to see. The views are spectacular up there, and there's some interesting things, but more than anything, just the drive and the views are the best thing about that location. Thank you for coming on this trip with me. It was a great time. I come to Manitou Springs all the time just for fun. It is a place, it's a perfect getaway. It is right down I-25. You don't have to worry about ski traffic in the winter, and you don't have to worry about going high up into the mountains. It is in the mountains, as you can see. However, you don't have to deal with all that stuff, snow and slick weather and all the traffic that goes with it. So this is a perfect place to go, for me at least, for a getaway outside of Denver or wherever you may want to be going. Right off of I-25, not far at all. In fact, once you exit off of 25, it's probably maybe about 10 minutes to get to Manitou Springs. And Manitou Springs is this beautiful kind of almost European village is what it reminds me of. It's a little bit of a hippie town, which makes it fun. Great little coffee shops, all kinds of different gift shops. So a fun place to visit. So thank you again for joining me, and check out our website at besttoursofdenver.com and see if there's a tour you'd like to visit if you're coming to Denver. Thank you.